Hello everyone, C-Shake here, doing another pick. This is a Master Lock number 570. Just demonstration. So this one took me a little while to get the hang of at first, but it's not so bad now. There we go. Opened. So the interesting thing about this that took me a while was, as you can see on here, pins 1 and 3 are 1 cuts, and the tolerances in this lock and the stack ups and stuff are bad enough that apparently the 1 cuts have the top of the driver pin fully below the shear line at rest. So a number of times when I was picking it, 1 and 3 were all the way down, or 1 was all the way up, 1 was all the way down. And it was weird, and I was worried about mangling the springs. So you could see at the beginning I was kind of pre-lifting everything to get it all up actually into the shear line. But it's a fun little bit with that lock. There you go. Thanks for watching.